Every year we celebrate European Day of Languages on the 26th of September. This is a wonderful opportunity to raise awareness about language learning and linguistic diversity. This year we held the competition, the Great European Bake Off. We asked students to either follow a recipe from a European country or to decorate a cake in a theme of a European country. The MFL department was completely overwhelmed by the number of excellent bakes that were brought into school, a whopping 47. We displayed all cakes for our visitors to see during open evening and asked all visitors to vote for their 2 favourite cakes. Throughout open evening we received such lovely comments from parents, we were bursting with pride. Many found choosing their favourite 2 very challenging, but we have our winners. First place, Noah. Our visitors were so impressed with this cake, depicting the Northern Lights. They loved the colours, the intricacy, and said it was a true showstopper. Amazing Noah. Second place, Harry. This bake of the Colosseum was so impressive and even had the flag colours on the inside. Such an amazing entry. Visitors commented on how much talent you have. Congratulations, Harry. Third place, Hannah. This was such a creative idea. Our visitors commented on how different and original it was. Congratulations, Hannah. Each MFL teacher also chose their favourite bake. Mrs. Turner chose Kevin's artistic bake. She said it was clear that such skill and precision had gone into creating it, and loved that he had used a recipe from the Czech Republic. Mrs. Hill chose Sophie's IKEA bake. She said it was unlike any other entry she had seen before, and was so unique. She loved the extra touch of the IKEA ingredients list. Mrs. Whiffen chose Charlie's delicious cake. She was lucky enough to taste it, and said it was delicious. She loved the traditional but tasty bake. Well done to all who took part. We can't wait to see your creations next year.